Welcome back, WC fans. I'm Jay Biggs. I want to thank each and every one of you for joining us here today for exciting WC action. Now we're going to mix things up just a little bit for you. The ACW World Title Heavyweight Tournament, folks. It's going to head your way right now in our main event. It's the finals. So we're going to see Dr. Kleber face one-on-one with Tommy Wilson from Southern California. An exciting action that culminated here in Portland in the finals of the tournament. Now, folks, promoters from Southern California, such as Jesse Hernandez from the EWF, Jeff Manning from up here in the Pacific Northwest, have got together to bring in the best superstars. We're going to find out right now how Tommy and Dr. Kleber got into the finals of this tournament.
And when we come back, wrestling fans, the finals of the American Championship Wrestling Tournament, Tommy Wilson faces Dr. Cleaver.